What's good, boy? What's good, boys? We're back in this bit. We're back in this bit. We're about to do a young tutorial. Babylowski, bro. That's my boy, though. Madly underrated in the underground right now. He's madly underrated, bro. He's young right now, but let him cook. I swear, let him cook, bro. Lowski gonna go crazy. Just because he's young, a lot of people just write him off. But I swear, let him cook. All right, let's get into it. I'm spending more time on the melody than the Koopa one. The Koopa one is literally just like, for me, I feel like Lowski got one of the best produced catalogs, bro, in the underground, bro. Even though I'm not tapped in, bro, I won't lie to you, I'm not tapped in. But I feel like he just has a really good produced catalog. He has a really good produced catalog. Okay, yeah, there it is. Let's go. Now for lows, bro, it's always the spins, bro. I don't think there's any lows beat without the spins. I feel like he's married to the spins. This is the way to pitch everything. I mean, if you want to change the BPM, you can do that as well. But honestly, I just want to pitch everything down. Yeah, bro, that's about it, bro. That's how you make a Babylowsk type beat. You make a Babylowsk type beat. I don't wanna call it a yap session. It is a yap session, but I don't wanna call it a yap session. A random thing to me, bro. The best produced artist in the underground, right now. I'll put Cooper first. I'll put OG 777 second, and then I'll put Babylowsk third. These are my top 3 best produced artists. I mean, okay, I feel like putting Jay is like putting maybe like Brother Cooper is pretty much the same thing. But no, Jay. Okay, Brother Cooper and Jay are number 1. OG second. OG though. I'll put OG over Jay. Over produced. I'll put OG over Jay, and then I'll put Babylowsk 4th. I don't know anybody else that has like. Okay, man, I mean, Herc produces for kill Brady. So I'll put Brady there. Like, when I hear the beats, I'm like, yeah, these beats are tough. A lot of people would put OG on 5th. I know that, but I'll put him 2nd. I know a lot of people put OG on 5th though. Yeah, that's about it, bro. See y'all later. Love y'all, boys.